Hi, hello friends. Here in this video, let's see type of gap, so which is formed at market. So which means both gap up and gap down. Let's see one by one what are the type of gap which are more commonly formed at market. So here these are the common gap which are formed at market. The common gap, then breakaway gap, runaway gap, and exhaustion gap, highland gap. So these are the 5 type of gap which might be happen in both gap up and gap down market, right? Let's see on common gap. So in common gap, which is most available in stock, it might be because of some result announcement day, it might be some dividend day, it might be happen. But here this government gap will be fill up, might be in intraday or might be in within 2 or 3 days. And also you can see this common gap with less volume, right? And I will show some of example here. So look at here guys. So here this one is Coal India. So here this one is gap which is formed here. This one is gap, and here, and it try to fill the gap. Look at here, it try to fill the gap within 2 or 3 days. I told this common gap which will be filled in 2 or 3 days, right? So depend upon technical strategy, right? So here I can see another example. This one is gap up. So here this one is pure gap up. Again look at here, this gap up is filled in upcoming within 2 or 3 days, right? These are the common gap up. And one more example, this is gap down. So again this gap down is fill up in upcoming days, as I told in 2 or 3 days, right? So here again another example. So let's move on another one. This one is breakaway gap, and this breakaway gap is usually happen some of classic formation of pattern, like different type of pattern. You might know this, like ascending, descending, rising wedge, and some other like head and shoulder. So it will form after this type formation of pattern, right? So again, so here the main important thing, so here it will form with high volume. This gap which will be formed with high volume, and also this gap is not able to fill as much early. Might be it takes some more time to fill this gap, right? So here and show some of example now. Look at here guys. So here this one is a good example. Yeah, see here, this one is breakaway gap. This gap happened after breakout at triangle pattern. These are the perfect triangle pattern. This triangle pattern is symmetrical triangle pattern. This formation of triangle pattern, after the formation of triangle pattern, it gives some good gap down. As I told, this breakaway gap is formed after formation of some pattern. So here is a good example for triangle pattern. So let's move on another example. Again these are the good example. This one happened after formation of ascending triangle, right? Also this is a good example for gap up. And here, so look at here guys, again here So you find some good gap and try to fill the gap as per our technical, but anyhow again it is get reversal trend, right? So again the trend is continue as per our strategy section. So here again the good example for breakaway gap. Let's see another example, another one. The next one is run away gap, and this gap somewhat look like which will happen more or less in some of gap down and gap trend strategy, and it happened hitting. This is the continuation of the trend, something like it is happened like unusual time. It might not be happen at after the formation of like channel or something like something, it might be happen unusual market. So let's see some of example. So here this one is runaway gap down. So in this gap down, so here this candle tell you that there is some of high hitting circuit. Might be you know that what is circuit, right? So again here this happened most of the time at low and high hitting circuit. So here the runaway gap up is move on same trend after the formation of the gap away, right? So again the trend is continue as per strategy. Again let's move on next one. So this type is exhaustion gap, and this gap it might be formed happen near the end of trend. Suppose the trend is continue like for some long time like 2 or 3 weeks, then this gap will happen at top. It might be happen at big continuation downtrend of after some long time like 2 or 3 weeks. Then again you find some this type of exhaustion gap. Again this gap might be happen near the end of the trend, as well as it might be both uptrend and downtrend, and these are the again unusual market type. It might be less felt or like happen with low volume, as well as it happen with state of panic, right, after some big uptrend and big downtrend. So let's show some example. So see here the market, this exhaustion gap form after some long uptrend market, and from here there is panic state of sell trigger as per technique. Again this gap or unusual one, right? So again let's move on next one. Again here one more example of exhaustion gap. See here again you find some big uptrend. Now the trend is end up here. As I told, this exhaustion gap is formed at end of trend. It might be uptrend or downtrend. Here it is happen at uptrend. So here you find some good, and also see there is unusual momentum, right? As I told, again this one is unusual and it happened state of panic, right? So let's move on next one. Again the last one is Highland reversal. This gap is in trend direction, so which means that the market will be moving some long sideways market, right? It might be happen after some long sideways momentum. Then after some long sideways momentum, that is you find some gap in another direction. Suppose if you find some sideways momentum at uptrend, again you find some this gap at downtrend, so which is opposite to uptrend sideways market. Again suppose in case you find some this sideways market at downtrend, suddenly you find some gap up in another direction, right? Again this gap does not able to fill very short time. It takes some more time to fill this gap, right? And again I show some of example now. See here this one is side up market, this is sideways market. So in this zone this is totally sideways market. again which is happened at top uptrend market. Now the trend is a reversal. As I told, this one is trend reversal island gap, so which is after formation of some sideways market at top, and it try to change trend into opposite direction. So again trend is changed to downtrend now. So this one is good example for highland gap. So these are the common gap which are more available in market, might be in any stock or might be in index, but this gap filling strategy is based on technique. Like we are not blindly enter into trade after some finding some gap up or gap down. You should wait till the formation of confirmation of strategy. So depend on strategy and support and resistance level, then you can go for trade. Also it might be taking support as a retracement level. So these are the common gap up, and you can undo the trade after learning this type of gap, right? So just like this video. For more video, just click my Telegram channel, so I will update all live index call. You might go through this type of call. Just I will given the link in below description YouTube channel. We'll see you on next video, and bye bye.